And one. Yeah. Nice pass.
So I just wanted to do a review of our game against the Hill Social basketball selection team, and this is all hindsight. For the record, this is all hindsight. Like, after the game, they were kind of down because we lost by 20 something. I think it was 22. We didn't play defense inside. We didn't have good interior defense. We didn't have good pressure on the ball. There was a lot of stuff to work on. On offense, we weren't taking shots. We were forcing the drives on the zone. We weren't taking quality shots. Just defense in general. Just our coverage. We like, to be fair to the boys, like, we didn't really practice any sets leading up to it. We were just training, like, we were just doing high octane. We were just trying to get fit. To be fair for the boys, we haven't trained any game situation stuff, so it was pretty unfair for me to expect them to win. I did not expect them to win. No one was like, me and Rich is my assistant co-coach. He's not my assistant really, but he's my co-coach. He's another brain in the program. Like, we didn't expect them to win. When we were playing, I wasn't actually making adjustments. I really want to see them to have a baseline. Like, how did we start? How did we play at the start? And then in a few weeks we'll compare it, like, how do we play now compared to last time we played. I just wanted to have that baseline where they can see themselves grow, because it's a long journey. It's gonna get tiring, especially when you don't feel like you're seeing results. The results will come. I trust it. I trust the training we do. I trust the system we're gonna put in, that's gonna put everyone in the best position to succeed. So yeah, that game was a good wake-up call for them, that we need to work harder. It's not all about offense. We can't just outscore people. We just can't outscore teams. Like, we're gonna be playing a lot of bigger, more experienced team when we go to the Philippines. But yeah, we just have to stick together. The thing with it is, like, whatever we do, we have to do it together. Everyone's got to be on the same page. And we were kind of on the same page, because we've had a bit of training before the games, but we didn't have that game situation place yet, because I just really want them to see what it's like if we do this. I just want them to see what it's like for our first game if we're not ready in those kind of situations. And rightfully so, we got smashed by 22 points. We tried to win it in the fourth quarter. I think they were leading by 24-20, something like that. And then we got into within 5, and then I made a sub, and then they just adjusted. We didn't run our sets properly. We didn't run our defense properly, and then they've adjusted as experienced players. You adjust to the situation. You just don't keep playing the same. So yeah. Oh, one more thing. Every time we put someone different on, they weren't switched on. So that can't happen to us. We can't keep having players not be turned on when they get subbed on. Like, if you're on the bench, like when you're on the bench, you have to be talking to your teammates. That's why I keep telling the boys, hey, talk to your teammates. One, communication, so they know what's happening, and two, so them talking to their teammates, they know what's happening as